Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Palu. Sita Jojo, sampai subuh. Welcome to the Taman Nasional Lorelindo. My name is Ninda Janti Putri. You can call me Ninda. And I will be your tour guide for today. So, before we start our adventure, I would like to give you some reminders. The first one, if you cannot hear me or cannot understand what I'm saying, please raise your hand and don't hesitate to ask me. And then, is there anything you want to ask about Taman Nasional Lorelindo? Just ask me. Okay? And then, next, littering is prohibited in this place. Let's preserve our environment. Okay, and then the last, secure your belongings, and lastly, enjoy. Okay, now, is there a question?
Miss, I want to ask, where is the location of this place?
Okay, thank you, Mayang. I will tell you about Taman Nasional Lorelindo. Taman Nasional Lorelindo, it is located in the Biological Protection Area of Sulawesi. To be precise, Central Sulawesi. This national park occupies an area of 2,180 square kilometers. This size is moderate and even relatively small when we compare it to other national parks in Indonesia. The main reason the Lorelindo National Park area holds so much charm is that it's formed from the confluence of two continental plates. Various types of endemic flora and fauna as well as natural panorama are scattered and stretching this wildest line. The location is located above an altitude of 1,700 meters above sea level with beautiful forest and natural condition.
What is the most important thing in Taman Nasional Lorelindo?
Oh yeah. Okay, thank you for the question. So, the most interesting things to visit in Taman Nasional Lorelindo is the megalithic relics in the form of stone statue. Why? Because the statue is 100 to 1,000 of years old. You can imagine how old that the statue, right? Okay, so the form of statue that we can find in the Lorelindo National Park is the first stone statue, which usually have the characteristic of a human shape, but only the shoulders, head, or genitals. And then the second, we can call it Kalamba, and is a form of megalithic with a shape resembling a face for holding water supplies or placing corpses during burial ceremony, like that. And then the third, it's called Tutuna, which is in the form of stone dish, and it thought to be the cover for the Kalamba type. Okay, as I said before. And then the fourth is, or the last, there are Dakon stones, which are flat to convex stones. These Dakon stones depict irregular holes, channels, and indentation, like that. So we can find four. Okay, you can see the picture of the statue that we can find in Lorelindo. Okay, thank you. And then, oh, okay. You ask, is there another place to visit there? Oh, okay, thank you. Beside the statue, if you want to enjoy the natural environment in Taman Nasional Lorelindo, there are also lake that we can enjoy the natural view with the cool air. I will tell you a bit about the lake itself. Okay, it is called Tambing Lake or Danau Tambing, which is one of the interesting place to visit in Lorelindo National Park. Or the lake Danau Tambing area is also a favorite area for bird watching tourists, and there are also campgrounds. And then you know that around the lake there are about 216 species of birds, which 30% are endemic categories that cannot be found in other areas. This is potential makes Lake Tambing a popular location for spot bird watching by domestic and foreign tourists. Okay, so if you want to bird watching, yes, just go to Danau Tambing like that. In the weekend times, there's so many people visit this Danau Tambing to have a camp like a student. Okay, you can see the picture here. There is so many tent there, and then as I said before, there is a campground. So if you want to healing yourself, we can have a camping ground has provided around the lake, which can be used as an outbound location by highlighting the panoramic view of the lake. The location has also been facilitated by prayer rooms and public toilets, but you may bring your food from outside, okay, because there's a bit food seller there. It's difficult to find a food seller, okay, like that. So maybe that's all about the Taman Nasional Lore Rindu. If there anything you want to ask, don't hesitate to ask me, okay? And then thank you for today. Good morning, everyone.